Dhanashree ma'am.
Hi.
Welcome to our show Thoughts on Education. Dhanashree ma'am, as you are the HOD for Masters in Digital Architecture at BNC College. So I really would like to know more about you and your journey at BNC.
Right. So, speaking about me and my journey at BNC, it all started in 2010. I had already put in about 15 years of my work experience in academics as an academician. Earlier, I was in Nashik, teaching in the College of Architecture, Nashik, and I came here in 2010. That was the time where a group of youngsters was tinkering around, establishing a course. They were architect Dhruv Chandwani, architect Vinay Sonode, architect Sunil Gawande, and Deva Prasad. Out of which some of them were my ex-students from Nashik, and they had already done their masters in digital architecture, and they, with the guidance of Dr. Kashyap, wanted to set up a course. They were tinkering around. They had brought in a couple of machines, small laser cutting machines, and they were tinkering around. And that was the time we as a team, that is Dr. Kashyap in the lead position along with all of faculty members, had a small meeting about knowing what kind of direction architecture is going to take in the next decade. And the talking point of that particular meeting was Dr. Kashyap said that in the next 10 years, we are going to complete 25 years of existence as an architecture college. And where do you see architectural pedagogy and education going? That was at a time where I said, and we all kind of coherently acted and decided that there's a lot of prejudice about women in technology, right? Women are perceived to be a little left-handed when it comes to technology. And that perception the society is rife with those kind of perceptions. So we said that being in Maharshi Karve Stri Shikshan Sanstha's Dr. B.N. College of Architecture, we should be in a pole position to be able to make that change. That was the time that me and my team of youngsters, very, very young people who had just done digital architecture, decided to take plunge in it. The course of digital architecture was formalized. Later, I became the coordinator after I finished my master's in digital architecture. And today, we can absolutely say that we are in the pole position in India, in architectural ecosystem and built environment ecosystem to harness digital tools in architectural pedagogy and practice.
That's great. So ma'am, I really would like to know what are your roles and responsibility to shape the student of your BNC college.
Yeah, so I've got academic role as well as administrative responsibilities. Administrative responsibilities would be coordination with universities abroad, coordination with administrative authorities, then reaching out for admission, doing workshops. There's a lot of prejudice about digital technology world over, and especially in the architecture field as well. So me and my team, we make it a major part of our administrative responsibilities to go and conduct workshops in institutes in India and abroad too. So we have done workshops in many institutes in India, in Bangalore, in Baroda, in Goa, then in Kolhapur, in Jaipur. We've also done workshops in Serbia, in Hong Kong, in Singapore. So what we necessarily do is we go ahead and we take our skill set. We do a 2 or 3 days workshop, and at the end of the workshop, the students understand and get a hang about digital technologies, how do we use it in architecture, and they also get prototypes out of it.
Great. So ma'am, would you like to pass on any message to the youth of this generation and why they should join architecture?
What I would really like to say is there's a huge disruption coming in, and this disruption is being given momentum by digital tools. This is the age of digital Darwinism, whether we like it or not. So we will have to quickly adapt to the changing scenario. AI is coming in a big way. And as I see it in the next, not 10, but next 5 years, most of what we are doing will be either augmented by AI or completely made obsolete by AI. So we should be in a position to harness digital tools, to understand AI, understand digital technologies, partner with it in a very productive way, and take this whole momentum ahead.
Great. Thank you so much, ma'am.